Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our chapter 1 function, subject applied mathematics, and lecturer Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Types of function. Last lecture we have to continue about the logarithmic function, that is very important. Log x to the base a is equal to y. That means a raised to y is equal to x. Be careful, a greater than 0, a not equal to 1. That means the base of any log not equal to 1 and it is always greater than 0. That means it is always get the positive values. Y not equal to 0. For example, log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3 means 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Now constant function is also important. F of x is equal to b constant function. That means x is equal to 0, 1, 2. F of x, suppose it is 0 into x plus 4 is the fixed term. So 0 into 0 plus 4, 0 into 1 plus 4, 0 into 2 plus 4. We derive the 4 values exactly, that is 0, x plus 4, it is the function. The graph look like this way. F of x is equal to 4. That means it is the 4 allotted here. F of x is equal to minus 2. It is lies here. Transcendental function. A function which is not algebraic is called transcendental function. Means example, y is equal to log x, y is equal to e raised to x, etc. Periodic function, it is important in physics. That is what a function f of theta is periodic if it is defined for all real theta and if there is the sum positive number capital T such that f in bracket theta plus t is equal to f of theta, where t represent the period or time that include the base of quantity. We have to revise the definition of function again. A function consists of set of inputs called domain, a set of outputs are called range, and the rule by which each input determines the exactly one output. In other words, only one y for every x, that is x cannot be repeated. Domain, independent variable. Range, dependent variable. Always y is equal to f of x, there y is called dependent variable, that is range, and x is called the independent variable, that is domain. Independent depends on dependent, that is the statement. So we have to revise and take the example based on these in a board paper. Value of function. If f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1, we have to find f of 0 plus f of 3. We have to put 0 instead of x in this equation. 0 square minus 0 plus 1, it is 1. F of 3. 3 square minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, f of 0 plus f of 3 is equal to 1 plus 7 is 8. If f of x is equal to x square plus 6x plus 10, find f of 2 plus f of minus 2. We have f of x is equal to x square plus 6x plus 10. We have to find f of 2. That means it is 2 square plus 6x plus 10 is equal to 26. Now f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 6 into minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 square is 4. 6 into minus 2 it is minus 12 plus 10 it is minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. Therefore, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is 26 plus 2 is equal to 28. Now we have to find f of x is equal to log x to the base 4 plus 3. Find f in bracket 1 upon 4. We have to use the logarithmic function here. Here base is 4. Instead of x we have to put 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 3 remain there. We know that 1 upon 4 we can write as a 4 raised to minus 1. So in a logarithm chapter we have to must discuss about the main concept, that is the log m raised to n is equal to n log of m. Okay, so log m raised to n is equal to m log of n. So that's why minus term get here. So I use the highlighter, that is laser pointer. Minus log 4 raised to base 4 plus 3. We know that log a to the base a is 1. That means log of 4 to the base 4 is 1. So we have derived 1 into minus 1 plus 3. We derive the value of the function f in bracket 1 upon 4 is equal to 2. F of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1. Then find f of 0 plus f of 1. F of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1. It is given in equation. To find the value of f of 0, that means instead of x we have to put the 0. 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 1. We have to simplify, it is derived 1. Now we have to take f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 square is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Now f of 0 is equal to f of 1. Therefore, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. It is the final answer. If f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 20, show that f of 0 is equal to minus 2 f of 3. If f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 20, instead of 0 x we have to put the 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 cube minus 5 into 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 20. 0 into anything is 0. That's why 0, 0, 0. Final answer is 20. Now we have to put instead of x the 3 value. We have 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 20. We have to simplify 3. Cube is obviously 27 minus 3 square is 9 into 5. It is minus 45 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 20. We see derived. The final answer is minus 10. Now f of 0 is equal to minus 2 f into 3. We have to take the minus 2 into f of 3. Minus 10 into minus 2. It is obviously plus 20. So we prove that f of 0 is equal to minus 2 of f of 3. If f of is an even function, then its graph is symmetric with respect to y-axis, and f of minus x is equal to f of x. That is the important function step here. So if f is an odd function, then its graph is symmetric with respect to origin, and f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Be clear about if function is even, that is f of minus x equal to f of x, and if function is odd, then f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So we have to understand by example. State whether the function is even or odd. F of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus cos x. We have f of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus cos x. Instead of x, we have to put the minus x. F of minus x is equal to 3 minus x raised to 4 minus 2 minus x square plus cos in bracket minus x. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. That's why it is plus cos x. Minus x square, it is x square. Minus x raised to 4, it is x raised to 4. We have to derive the same equation. 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus cos x is exactly f of x. That means we have to prove that f of minus x equal to f of x, means the function is even. Test whether the function is even or odd if f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x plus sin x. Instead of f of x, we have to put minus x there. So minus x cube plus 4 into minus x plus sin in bracket minus x. We know that sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That's why we have to take the minus sin x. 4 into minus x minus 4x minus x cube is minus x bracket cube is minus x cube. We have to take minus sign common. So x cube plus 4x plus sin x, it is exactly f of x. So minus remain as the same, f of x. That means we have to prove that f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That means the function is odd. Let us check, state whether the function is odd or even. F of x is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2. It is given function. We have to put x is equal to minus x in this function. So e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus of minus x upon 2. We rewrite e raised to minus x plus e raised to x upon 2. It is exactly f of x. That means we have to prove that f of minus x is equal to f of x when function is even. State whether function is even or odd. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus sin x plus x cos x is odd or even. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus sin x plus x cos x. F of minus x is equal to minus x cube minus 3 into minus x sin into minus x into cos x minus of x. So minus x cube is minus x cube minus x bracket cube is minus x cube minus 3 into x plus 3x sin into minus x minus sin into minus theta is minus sin theta. That's why it is minus sin x, but cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore minus x cos x. We have to take the minus sign common. X cube minus 3x plus sin x x cos x. It is exactly f of x. That means we have to prove that f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That means the given function is odd. So operation of f of x, addition f of x plus g of x, subtraction f of x minus g of x, multiplication f of x into g of x, division f of x upon g of x. Now we have to take the composite function example. A composite function is created when one function is substituted to another function. F of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 2, g of x is equal to minus 2x, hs is equal to root x. F circle g minus 2x bracket square minus 6 into minus 2x plus 2 minus 2x square 4x square minus 6 into minus 2 12x plus 2. We derive in this way. Another example, f of x, g of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x and h of x is equal to x plus 1. Find g circle h of x and h circle g of x. We have to find these as a homework. To solve the example, instead of x we have to put the g circle f of x, instead of x we have to put the x plus 1, h circle g of x we have to put instead of this x 4x square minus 5x. We define this answer. F of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x square plus 1. So we have g circle f of x is equal to g f of x. F of x is x plus 2. So instead of x we have to put here x plus 2. So x plus 2 whole bracket square plus 1. We know that x plus 2 bracket square x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. Simplify x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. It is exactly 5. We have to show that y is equal to f of x, x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1. Show that f of y is equal to x. Y is equal to f of x, x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1. Y is also same, x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1. We have to find f of y. Y minus 5 upon 5 of y minus 1. Instead of y, now we have to put x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So we have simplified x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1 minus 5. 5 in bracket x minus 5 upon 5x minus 1. We have to take the cross multiplication. X minus 5 minus 5 in bracket 5x minus 1. Denominator 5x minus 1 remain as the same. Same in denominator, 5 into x minus 5 is 5x minus 25. We have to take the cross multiplication, 5x minus 1. So minus remain as the same and 5x minus 1. 5x minus 1 get cancelled. We derive numerator and denominator in the form x minus 5 minus 25x plus 5. We have to multiply by 5. 5x minus 25 minus 5x plus 1. We have to equate. Minus 25x plus x is minus 24x minus 5 and plus 5 get cancelled. 5x and minus 5x get cancelled. Minus 25 plus 1 is minus 24. Minus minus get cancelled. We have to derive f of y is equal to x. Same trick follow for log function. X upon x minus 1. Instead of x, we have to put a plus 1 upon a plus 1 minus 1. We derive a plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 upon a. We derive this is the